Vegan zucchini crisp. Let's go. So we're going to start with 3 medium zucchinis and an 8x11 size pan. We're going to go ahead and cut the tips off those zooks and we're going to peel them. And then we're going to take the seeds out of the middle because that's going to be like weird and cut them up into size of like making like an apple pie, right? Like apple pie pieces, and we're going to put them in the pan because we're going to put everything in there first to mix it in because I am not wasting another bowl and doing another round of dishes. We also have this Splenda brown sugar blend, so we're going to use that to decrease those sugars and everything, being a little bit healthier. So we have the juice of 2 lemons. We'll go ahead and just add that in there. We're going to do a tablespoon of ground cinnamon and we're just going to sprinkle that on top. Remember, we're just going to start in here. It doesn't have to be too particular. Just move on. Talking to my hand like it's a separate part of my body. And then we do a half a cup of the Splenda brown sugar and we're just going to mix that all together. So once we do that, we're going to move over to our streusel topping. So in here, I have another cup of that Splenda brown sugar, a cup of oats, a cup of flour, and then we have this vegan plant-based butter. I'm so excited. Country Crock made this. So we're going to cut that up. That's like half a cup. I guess 1 stick is half a cup. If you aren't using a stick, you can use a half a cup and just start working it in with a fork. We want to make sure it's really, really cold butter, and I'm going to go in my hands afterwards, but I start with the fork because the hand is going to start warming it up a little bit. So I wanted to make sure that we did as much with a fork until you get annoyed. And then after we put it on top, we're going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes. And then once it cools down, we're going to go ahead and scoop this baby out, you guys. I'm freaking, look, the top is all caramelly. I should have let it sit a little longer. I'm a little bit patient. So it's still really hot. So it's a little bit juicier, but watch what we're going to do with it. Hold on. I am so excited. Y'all, I've never tried just a pure, I've tried vegan ice cream, but I've never tried just a pure vanilla. So we got So Delicious. We're going to try that out. It's a little bit icier, not as creamy, but look, put that extra sauce on top, right? A la mode on crack, because it's kind of caramelized with the brown sugar. And then you guys, look at this. Look at it. It looks like Granny Smith apples, but it's Zooks, right? I'm going to take a bite. It's a 9 out of 10 for me. You can kind of tell it's zucchini and not apple, but it's so freaking good to use up those extra Zooks. Definitely make this bad boy.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.